Exquisite dining is what we all look for. So for today's um, favorite food speech, it is crab cakes with the salad, the secret dressing. You can use ranch because it's secret, and cream of corn. And I'm gonna teach you how to make that. So for the crab cake, if you get the raw one at Walmart, Safemart, whatever, this little fella right here. If he's like 3 pounds, make sure you boil him first because you never want to do it raw. Boil him first for 20 minutes, and if he's less than 3 pounds, boil him for like 15 minutes. While he's boiling, go ahead and cut up bell pepper very finely, like to the size of like that, and then put it into a bowl. And you want to crack an egg in here. See, I already made it in the previous video. And then go ahead and add the seasoning, salt, pepper, a teaspoon of Worcester sauce, not too much, a teaspoon of mustard, and this is the recipe for the crab cake. Like the beginning of it, it might look like a bunch of juices, but trust me, it's not. Make sure you squeeze a lemon, and then go ahead and zest it for the fake fragrance. Once you're done doing that, go ahead and let's see. You want to go ahead and mix it. And then once you have it mixed, go ahead and add the crab that you just got done boiling, or the imitation crab, because that also works. And then you want to mix it all together and put some breadcrumbs in there. And the reason this dish is so special to me is because my uncle who died, he actually taught me how to make this. And before he died, he earned like a couple Michelin stars at the Marriott, so that's why this dish is like a part of me. Let's see. So once you're done doing all that, though, you want to get the breadcrumbs and put it into this bowl, and then get like a separate bowl of flour and another separate one of egg and another separate one of breadcrumbs. So 3 bowls in total. What you want to do first is you want to get your raw crab meat, and this one's not raw, it's cooked. You want to get the raw one and put it in the flour first, and so it can have its good shape and form. Dip it into the egg, and then dip it into the breadcrumbs. Once you've done that, go ahead and sear it for 30 seconds on the pan with olive oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil around. And then go ahead, after it's done, have like a golden brown on the bottom, go ahead and flip it, and then have it like a golden brown on all the sides, and then add the butter and baste it. Once you're done doing that, go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 and cook it for at least 10 minutes with butter on top. And then that's it. That's your original crab cake. But you know what's better than crab cakes by themselves is a nice salad, dressing of any sorts, which I made my secret dressing, and cream of corn. And for the salad, I just cut it into pieces, put avocado, olive oil, lemon, and salt and pepper. As you can see, like a little bit of the pepper chunks right there, actually, and avocado. One third of butter and 3/4 of milk of any sorts and any sort of butter. And once you do that, make sure you put the heat on low and let it simmer for a bit until it's like very thick, kind of in a way where the instead of it looking very milky, it just looks like it's milk in the center, and just like pasta, you know. You don't want like how can I say it? like a runny pasta where the liquid's everywhere. You want the liquid to be like more in the center. And once you do that, I like to plate my dish like this, going from like that, 6 o'clock going across with the spoon. The cream of corn first, like into a mountain. The 2 crab cakes and the lettuce, just like that. Whoop. And if you done it right, it should look like this, very juicy in the inside. Thank you.